Hi everyone, today we will see how to make this shazwan Maggie. Oh sorry, noodles. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly you will need like this pan and then you have to boil water, okay? According to you that how much people are
And
eating.
take out the masala.
Yeah,
Here,
take out
and
the
then
masala.
just put this noodles
Noodles.
in this. Oh my god, it's not kidding.
Oh.
So like just put this cake. This cake I have put it here, and just like with anything, just keep it here.
Yeah, you can
Let
take
it
like
boil for some minute, or
you can take this fork to do.
just break the cake, noodle cake. In this gas.
Now just sim the gas.
If we want VR, can we just put on after sometimes?
According to you, if you want.
We are just putting because we don't want to again and again visit this. So I'm just opening this and putting here. This up going. Because obviously I don't want to. Just move the masala. Some masala is there. I'll put after sometimes, and
Just mix it.
this is
well.
how I do. I mix like this. I'm sorry if I'm getting off. If anybody is getting offended. And now I'll just put it. I'll just cover it with a plate or anything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cover it. मेरा दारू पिएगा मतलब?
With it. After 5 minutes, you have to open the plate, and in between, you can check that it is made or not, like this, opening the little bit of plate. So, yeah, now we'll meet you after 5 minutes. So, here is the Szechuan noodles in a very, very simple style. So, yeah, you can make. So, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Hare Krishna.